Hello everyone. So now next point in state space analysis is the transfer function. So once state space model is given and we have to find out the transfer function. So the formula for the transfer function is C matrix Si minus A inverse matrix into B matrix plus D matrix if it is present. Okay. So here by comparison we can get A matrix which is -2 0 1 -1. This is B matrix and this is C matrix. This one is your C matrix. Okay, so we will find out Si minus A matrix. So what is Si minus A matrix? Be careful in the calculation. If you do mistake here in calculating this Si minus A matrix, then your complete problem will be wrong. So be careful with plus and minus. Okay. So Si matrix and this is A matrix. We have to perform this subtraction. So once again S minus -2 it becomes S plus 2, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, so it becomes -1, S minus -1, S minus minus it becomes S plus 1. So this is your Si minus A matrix. This is your Si minus A matrix. Okay, now to find out the inverse, first of all we will find out adjoint of Si minus A matrix. So to find out adjoint, what you have to do? You have to interchange these two. Just interchange these two. So it becomes S plus 1, S plus 2. Okay, the next step is if there is a negative sign, then put positive sign. If there is a positive sign, put negative sign to these two elements. Change the sign of these two numbers. Don't interchange, just change the sign. So here it is 0, so 0 remains 0 only, plus 0 minus 0 is same, and here it is -1, so -1 becomes +1. So this is your adjoint Si minus A matrix. Now determinant of Si minus A. Be careful, determinant we have to find out for the this matrix, not for the adjoint matrix. Okay, so determinant will be S plus 2 into S plus 1 minus 0 into -1, 0. So determinant is S plus 2, S plus 1. So this is the determinant. Now inverse of any matrix is adjoint matrix divided by determinant. So inverse formula is adjoint Si minus A divided by determinant of Si minus A. So your adjoint matrix is S plus 1, 0, 1, S plus 2. This is your adjoint matrix and determinant is 1 upon S plus 1, S plus 2. So this is your determinant. Now multiply these elements. So it becomes S plus 1 upon S plus 1, S plus 2, 0 upon anything 0, 1 upon S plus 1, S plus 2, and S plus 2 upon S plus 1, S plus 2. So overall it gets cancelled out. So your Si minus A inverse matrix is Si minus A inverse matrix will be, just see here, 1 upon S plus 2, 0, 1 upon S plus 1, S plus 2, and here it is 1 upon S plus 1. So this is your Si minus A inverse matrix. Now use the formula of transfer function, which is C into Si minus A inverse matrix into B matrix. Put the values. So transfer function equal to, I will put the values of C matrix, then Si minus A inverse matrix. What is Si minus A inverse matrix? 1 upon S plus 2, 0, 1 upon S plus 1, S plus 2, and 1 upon S plus 1 into B matrix. Put the value of B matrix also. Okay, so I will just check what are the values of C matrix and B matrix. So C matrix is -1, 2, and B matrix is 0, 1. So -1, 2 here, and B matrix is 0, 1. I will just once check once again. Okay, minus 1 to 0 1, minus 1 to 0 1. Okay, now either you can multiply these two matrices first, or you can multiply these two matrices, you will get the same result. So I will multiply these two matrices. So order here is 2 by 2, order here is 2 by 1. 2 to cancel, so overall order will be 2 by 1. So minus 1 2 as it is. Now multiplication, matrix multiplication, rows are multiplied by column. So this term into 0 should become 0. This term into 1, so 0 into anything, 0. So 0 plus 0. Now, so this is the first row. Now this multiplication, 1 upon s plus 1 s plus 2 into 0 becomes 0. 1 upon s plus 1 into 1, it becomes 1 upon s plus 1. Okay. So this is the multiplication result. So after that, it is nothing but minus 1 to 0 1 upon s plus 1. Now here order is 1 row 2 columns. Row means horizontal, column means vertical. And here the order is 2 rows and 1 column. 2 rows and 1 column. So it becomes 2 to cancel. So the order is 1 by 1. So multiplication minus 1 into 0 minus 1, sorry 0, and 2 into s plus 1. So final answer is 2 upon s plus 1. So this is your answer for the transfer function. Thank you.